If you missed the Great Canadian Roadshow last week, there's no need to worry because they'll be in Sudbury for another 6 days starting August 24th. Have you ever wondered what that antique clock on the fireplace is actually worth? Maybe you have an extensive Barbie doll collection that you're finally ready to cash in. The Great Canadian Roadshow specialists will be on hand to appraise and even purchase your antiques and collectibles.
Certain things just do not depreciate in value. I mean, you know, the collectible items that have been around for a long time, I mean, they just, you know, I had a conversation with one gentleman that came in and brought in a wonderful set of silverware, it was pure sterling silverware, and, you know, we were just telling that, you know, the big box stores out there just don't make them the way they used to, and to have a piece like that, it'll just grow, and over time will just continue to grow in value.
And while there's no obligation for visitors to sell their items, the option is there.
Typically we hand out checks to people from all various amounts. One lady brought in some gold coins. She walked out of here just on her own with over $16,000, a check for over $16,000. We typically spend between $50,000 to $100,000 in 1 week on a show. We're here for 2 weeks, so we're going to be handing out quite a few checks here in the Sudbury area.
You can have your antiques and collectibles appraised at the Great Canadian Roadshow from August 24th to the 28th. The roadshow will be set up at the Howard Johnson on Brady Street, Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and 9 to 4 on Saturday.